MCQ 17 see the metabolism of carbon dioxide at the human lung area. Now, just again to draw a little bit of the summary via the biconcave shape of the red blood cell. Now, using pink color to label the action that's happening at the actively respiring cells, we should be seeing carbon dioxide as well as water diffusing into the red blood cell at the actively respiring cell. These are the products that comes from aerobic respiration and in the presence of carbonic anhydrase. So this particular segment here in blue is actually catalyzed by carbonic anhydrase. Allow our carbon dioxide as well as our water to form carbonic acid. And this then spontaneously breaks down to form H+ as well as hydrogen carbonate ions. And it is the hydrogen carbonate ions that diffuses out of the red blood cell into the blood plasma. So over at the lungs portion, which is going to be represented in orange color, the hydrogen carbonate that diffuses out into the blood plasma actually diffuses back into the red blood cell. It combines with H+ and spontaneously reform carbonic acid. And carbonic acid in the presence of carbonic anhydrase break down into CO2 and H2O. Both of this then diffuses out into the alveoli and it is then subsequently expired out into the atmosphere. So if we're looking at the lung segment here, I'll say that this question is more concerned about the orange color part as compared towards the pink color actively respiring cells. So A, carbonic anhydrase converts carbon dioxide into carbonic acid. Now this is a process that happens at the actively respiring cells. B, carbon dioxide becomes attached to hemoglobin in red blood cell. Again, things that happens at the actively respiring cells. C, carbon dioxide move into the alveoli. It seems to be true, but then not against a concentration gradient as we are using diffusion. And D, carbon dioxide is produced from carbonic acid by carbonic anhydrase. This is the correct direction so that we can actually get the CO2 to be released into the alveoli and subsequently expired into the atmosphere. The answer for MCQ 17 is D.